Hey Zabi here, welcome to the video. So this video is about the number one problem that affiliates have, and you might think that it is traffic, right? But it is wrong. You don't have a traffic problem. You think if I just knew how to get 1000 clicks to my offers, I would get so many sales. I'm here to tell you again that it's wrong. The traffic part is actually easy. This part is easy, right? You can simply go ahead and buy traffic from Google, from Facebook, wherever you want. You can go ahead, upload content to YouTube, upload content to Instagram, and there you go. You got the traffic. Look, the problem is not the water. The problem is the bucket here, right? You got holes under your bucket. All the traffic that you're receiving is leaking out of it. And why does that happen? Why are you not making money? Well, the thing is that most affiliates, 99% of affiliates, don't have proper infrastructure. You know what the problem is? Let me tell you what the problem is. The problem is that you are stuck in a setup hell. This is what we call it, the setup hell. Look, let's be honest, a lot of affiliates are lazy, but a lot of affiliates are not. And the reason they haven't made their first $1,000 is because they have no idea what are they doing, right? They are stuck in this setup hell here. They keep building these funnels, right? They don't have an idea what they're doing, right? They don't know how to create a proper, high converting opt-in page, a proper bridge page that will sell the offer for you, write proper emails. Like, they are not copywriters, so they don't have any idea what emails. They just go and find random swipe files from random marketers, and then they just use that, right? And maybe they make a sale here and there, but that's that. They don't have a well-oiled machine, a well-built infrastructure to actually convert whatever traffic that they are receiving into sales. Look, to actually make money online, you only need these things, right? You just need this, right? First one is a high converting landing page. Second is a bridge page, and this should pre-sell your offer, right? This should warm up your traffic and pre-sell your offer. So whatever click that you receive from bridge page should convert better. And number three is at least a 7-day email sequence, a well-written 7-day email sequence. What happens is, like, if you're new, if you try to build this yourself, it actually takes weeks, right? And most of the people don't even get to this point. They get stuck on step 0, which is finding an offer, finding an affiliate offer. Believe me, there are affiliates who stuck in just finding a well converting affiliate offer. They have no idea what to promote. And when they try to promote, when they find these new offers, they try to build funnels for each of those offers. That's just wasted effort. It serves no purpose at all. And others who actually found these offers, they stare at a blank screen. They write terrible copy on their emails, and by the time you build this machine here, you're too exhausted to drive the traffic. You have no idea now how to tackle this traffic thing. Look, think about it like this, right? Let's say you want a chair. I'm trying to make sense of it, okay? So let's say you want a chair. What do? Do you go to the forest here in the jungle, right? Do you go to a forest here, chop this wood here, and then go and then create a chair? No. You actually go to a store, like maybe IKEA, and you just go and purchase, right? You just go ahead and buy the chair here. So my question is, if you have no idea about doing all this, then why are you trying to build it from scratch? Why? Why are you trying to be a copywriter? Why are you trying to be a designer? Why are you trying to be a tech guru? You're trying to wear these many hats, and you wonder why you are stuck. And actually, few days ago, I actually had a little survey on this community post and on my emails, and a lot of people said that they actually needed a solution that takes away this tech problem, that setup hell problem. So I decided to do something about this, right? I took the campaigns that I do, the offers that I know that works really well, and I created the lead magnets for it. I created the funnels for it. I created the emails for it. I am a marketer since few years, and I know that these will convert. And I created these for 3 different affiliate offers. And I made sure there is a way for you to get a guaranteed approval on those offers. And then I call them asset packs. I think that is the solution that you really need. And once I created, I just named it automated affiliate machine. You just click one link. You just click one link here and the entire funnel, entire stuff is in your account. The pages are designed, the emails are written, the lead magnets are ready, and all of them are designed to sell a particular offer. You choose one, you deploy it. Now you are ready to just drive traffic and skip all the annoying stuff, skip setup hell. You just need to add your affiliate link on all of these things. That's the work. That just takes few minutes. All right, let me just show you what it looks like. So this is my automated affiliate machine. As you can see, this is the start here page, and I have created 3 asset packs for you, and the offers are affiliate takeover. I don't have to hide it really. The offers are affiliate takeover from Warrior Plus, the ARM 2.0 system again from Warrior Plus, and the automated commission system. And I have included my automated affiliate blueprint that I actually sell for $14.95, including this, so you know what exactly are you going to do with this. All right, and also this works on the one-click setup, works on free system account, so you actually have to have that. You do not need a paid account. So these are the asset packs. And now you might have a question like, what if I don't get approved? I have no sales history. And that's why this section is important. That is guaranteed affiliate offer approval. I show you exactly how to get approved for these specific offers, even if you're brand new. So I solved that problem here. And I have even included my traffic blueprint PDFs here. So you know exactly how to fuel the machine. Like you got the funnels, but you need traffic, right? So by reading these PDF documents, you will learn exactly how to drive traffic to your offers. This is what I do myself. And don't worry about this setup hub here. Actually, it's just like 1 minute long, 2 minutes long, 46-second long. It's very, very simple. I just wanted to make sure that you have the funnels and you exactly know how to import it and how to customize it. So I created a step-by-step few minute videos. The maximum it is just like 2 minutes. And by doing that, you will have skipped the entire work here. So guys, you have 2 choices here. Again, you can go ahead and, start everything from scratch and, waste several weeks, write those emails, fight those website builders, or you can click the link below, grab this asset pack called automated affiliate machine and just skip the entire thing. So guys, again, if you go to the top, stop building, start earning. The link will be in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Cheers.